What's up, guys? Welcome back. Broken Poppy from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. It was wild. He like crushed her face. And it's weird. She's got like muscles, like muscle fibers underneath the porcelain, which is interesting. So let's try and do this. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. I'm going to start with her big eye. The one that's not like ripped out. So curve up and over. There's all eyelashes on this side. So we'll start adding some there, right? It kind of goes down that way. And yeah, we'll like make this darker. Just in here. Okay. And then this curves around back to where we started. Boom, 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 boom. She's got big blue eyes, so we just curve, circle, just go around. If you have a coin or a compass or something that can get you perfect circles, feel free to use it. Stencils work too. Nothing wrong with doing that. And then black pupil just in the middle. Because the blue is like so big, sometimes it's like worth doing these little sort of lines around. She does have kind of like bloodshot eyes, I think. I've seen some pictures where they're kind of like, she has like veins and stuff just in her eye. Poor Poppy. So her other eye, it's gone. So this is just like an empty hole in her head. But it does have like cracks and stuff inside it, like so. But I'll do that when I'm doing all the cracks. So then her nose, so we can just see like her nostrils. Just there. And then the little bits on the side. And then just a little line on top. Like so. Right, then her mouth, so she's got red lips. So big red doll lips. And it's kind of open, so it goes like up across here. And there's a little section that shows teeth a little bit. And then her bottom lip. Come around like so. So this like the corners of her mouth like keep going like out to all the cracks. But we'll get the shape for her face in first. So like just underneath the eye here we get like her cheek, and this just comes around underneath her chin. And then it goes up underneath her hair here, which is all sort of hanging down. Right, so then no hair on this side of her head, so it just goes up and around. And there's like stringy bits, there's like little bits that stick off, but it's only sort of like half of her head left. Half of her hair, I mean. So like this comes down this way then, and it all like flows off this way. Could cover some of her eye. Yeah, and there's like little bits of hair like flopping down. And then we'll just come over this way. It's kind of wavy. It just hangs down over. Little spikes here at the bottom. Okay, so all the cracks now, so, and maybe some of her eyebrow. So, but say like, there's like sections that are completely missing, and then there's some that are just lines. So say coming out from her mouth, we've got like a section just on her cheek that's gone. So like there's like nothing left, you know. It's just under her eye. And that's like all just red in there. There's a couple more sections up here as well. So like above her eye, this is a white patch. And then just like red in there. There's like random floating bits of triangle porcelain sort of in here then. And you're just trying to break it up, sort of like floating parts. Right, so then in there's red. And then I think we can see her eyebrow here on this one. So like, it's kind of hard to make out because of all the cracks, but I'm pretty sure this is her eyebrow. And then her eyebrow on this side, it's like here. Right, and then she has a big line running across her face here as well. And then we divide all the rest of the space, crack it up, basically like shattered crack lines. Going all across her face. You just keep breaking it up until you filled everything in. And then there's like a section a bit inside the eye, and like a crack or two in there as well. Okay, and then like bits of hair sticking up, missing hair there. So where's her dress gone? I had a picture of her dress, a close-up, it's gone. Where's the picture's gone? Oh, there. So, and her hands and stuff are odd. Okay, so we can see maybe like a bit of her neck just here. And then there's like a frilly white collar. And then her shoulder comes off there and there. And then she has like a little frilly thing on the side. And then this goes around. And then she has an arm that comes out this way. Down to her hand. So it's like a doll's hand, so it's just going in there. Like a small thumb. With some fingers. Like that. And then her body here comes down that way. Now her other hand is sticking out there, but I'll come back to that. We can just see the front of her dress, and I think there's like buttons. It looks like a patch sort of taken out there. And then she's a ribbon around her waist. Something else there. And then this large dress is down. It's like a bit that sticks out there. It's like a blue section. Sticks out on top, I think. And then this just kind of bumps around here. And then we go up that way, down there. And then there's a blue part that's kind of ripped and torn here. Kind of like that, and you can't see her feet, just the dress. So then this other arm, so it's kind of tricky because I'm not really sure what way she's holding this thing in her hand. I think she's just got 4 fingers grabbing it. So we'll do arm there and elbow, right? So she's like pulled a bit off her face. So if I went just as if she was grabbing it, so if we went like 1, 2, 3, 4 chunks of finger, right? And then this one goes this way, and then we go 1, 2, 3, and a 4th there. So they're like her fingers, right? We just bring each of those down like that. So as if she's like holding this piece, because I think that's what's happening in the scene. It's very blurry, so it's hard to make out. So she's basically asking Giblet, like, is it bad? He's like, no, you're good. You look fine. You'd barely notice. There you go. Broken Poppy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.